Back to FlexCandle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. I'm Flex, and today we're diving into a full top-down analysis on Bitcoin. We're going to start from the higher time frames, work our way down to the lower time frames, and check to see if we find any good setups. We're also going to go over a winning trade that we had on gold. Now remember, this is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. All right, guys. So before we get started, let's go over the gold play really quickly. And on gold, on the weekly chart here, I had a flag that would have broken us out to about 3,736, and as you can see, we pretty much hit the exact measured move. We made it all the way to about 3,715. So congratulations on whoever waited for this gold trade. That did take a very long time. I was anticipating this all the way probably since like May or June, and we finally were able to hit it. You guys know that on the weekly chart it takes a lot longer, so congratulations on whoever took that play. Big win for the FlexCandle community. And now if we head over to Bitcoin, before we get started with the top-down analysis, on the 4-hour chart, I had for a while here a inverted head and shoulder pattern, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, with the measured move taking us all the way to about 117,937, and I believe we went up today to about 117,900 and change. So pretty much the same exact measured move. Once again, congratulations on whoever took that winning trade. Big win for the FlexCandle community. All right, guys, so now let's start off with the weekly chart, and right now it's about 6:27 p.m. Eastern time. The price of Bitcoin is at 117,275. Weekly chart is looking very good. Stochastic RSI has already reset. We're on the way up. If we could close like this could be a 3 white soldier formation here, and this is usually very, very bullish. We still have 3 days and 2 hours before this candle closes. We are above the 21 moving average at 110,544. So everything's looking good so far. Let's hop over to the 3-day chart, and we can see we're already rounding up. We're on the way up. We regained the 21 moving average here as well. On the 2-day chart, we're starting to get a little toppy here, but we are above the 21 moving average. Could this be a possible inverted head and shoulder as well? Could we make it up, then come back down, make a right shoulder, and then go up? That's a possibility as well. On the daily chart here, stochastics, we're on the way down. We rounded back up. This is what I was hoping for us to at least get another hump here and drag here for a little bit longer. And so far, we've been able to stay above the 50 moving average. Now, what we need is for this 21 moving average to cross all these moving averages and be the first one, so that all the averages could be in line. You have the 21, the 50, the 80, the 100, and then the 200. So right now, the 21 moving average is at 112,688. We were falling down yesterday. We were able to wake up, and we've been holding strong above 117K. We got that inverted head and shoulder play that I was talking about. Now, at the moment, I do have a possible cup and handle play. We made some of the measured move. We're going to go over that in the 4-hour chart. So far, the daily chart is looking good. This could also be a flag that is breaking out as well. Now on the 22-hour chart, stochastics are on the way down, but we're still above the 21 moving average. As long as we can stay above the 21 moving average, we remain bullish. 12-hour chart, stochastics were on the way down, but look at this, we're reverting back up. This is looking bullish as well. 10-hour chart, stochastics are still on the way up. We got that cross of the 21 and the 200 moving average. That's bullish. On the 8-hour chart, stochastics are on the way up as well. So as you can see, we were falling down, and then we got bullish all of a sudden. We turned back up. 6-hour chart here, we kind of look like we are starting to curve down. We are getting a red candle here. This candle closes about an hour and 30 minutes, but we do have support here on the 21 moving average at 116,163. I feel like if we fall, we should stay above this 21 moving average. Now on the 4-hour chart, this is where I told you guys that inverted head and shoulder, even though we got that win, now I converted it into a cup and handle play. As you can see, this round part where is white is the cup, and then this yellow here is the handle, and the measured move to this takes us to about 125K. And so far, you know, we're breaking out of the cup right now. We're getting up there. We made it close to 118K. Let's see what ends up happening. The stochastics are starting to round down a little bit, but as long as we could stay above the 21 moving average, I do remain bullish. On the 1-hour chart, we see that the stochastics are on the way down. We're about to reset. We're kind of losing the 21 moving average. We don't want to do that. This could be kind of like a double top as well. If we do lose a 21, we do have to remain above this 50 moving average at 116,774. If we lose that, then we should definitely have some support here on the 200 moving average at 115,655. If we lose that, then we have to start anticipating that there could start to be a little bit more downside for the near short term here. Now on the 15-minute chart, stochastics are on the way down still. We're about to reset. Here we started losing a lot of the averages. We haven't been able to get above really 117,900. 117,800, 117,800. So it's important that we get above 118K and try to hold that support. The 200 moving average is currently at 116,774. It is Thursday night right now, so things kind of slowed down. Let's see what ends up happening tomorrow. But all in all, we're still in the price range that I've been telling you guys, between 110K, 120K. I do have that cup and handle brewing at the moment on the 4-hour chart that could take us to 125. So I feel like that could be the next logical move. Let's see what ends up happening. If we could break 120 and hold support, then I do see that cup and handle playing out. All right, guys, so that's the breakdown. If this gave you clarity or a setup to watch, do me a favor, like, drop a comment, subscribe. And if you have a stock or crypto you want me to go over, drop it in the comment section. This is FlexCandle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Catch you on the next chart.